Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare ashwagandha versus omega-3. We'll explore the unique properties and benefits of each, helping you understand which supplement might best suit your health goals. Ashwagandha, an ancient adaptogen, helps your body manage stress, while omega-3s are crucial for brain and heart function. Let's dive into their individual strengths. Ashwagandha is primarily celebrated for its adaptogenic qualities. It assists your body in coping with various stressors, promoting a sense of calm and balance. Many users report improved sleep patterns and a reduction in feelings of fatigue. Additionally, research indicates it can support cognitive functions like memory and focus, making it a versatile herb for daily wellness. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, are vital for numerous bodily functions. They are well known for their significant role in maintaining heart health, including helping to lower triglyceride levels. Furthermore, omega-3s are fundamental for optimal brain development and sustained cognitive performance throughout life. Their powerful anti-inflammatory effects also contribute to overall health. Deciding between ashwagandha and omega-3 depends on your specific health needs. If stress management, improved sleep, or energy balance are your priorities, ashwagandha might be a great choice. For heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation, omega-3s are essential. Consider your individual goals to make an informed decision. Also, check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.